Okay, so guys, you can see this is the final circuit. It came out very nicely. I just tested it. It is working great. You can see it's showing the continuity. The soldering also came out very good, though I did it after a very long time. And let me quickly explain how the circuit is laid out. So this is the input. Here you will connect 12 volt power supply. This is the voltage regulator IC and the voltage regulator circuit, which will convert this 12 volt into 5 volts, which is needed to drive this RF module. And also that same 5 volt would be used to drive this to relays. This is the bigger relay, and this relay is going to use for the starter capacitor of the pump, and it is going to draw very huge amount of current. That's why this relay is big. This is 30 ampere at 220 volts relay, and this relay will be controlled by 12 volts, which will get directly from this power supply. And these are 3 transistors. These are 2222A transistors. These are the NPN transistors. I am using this transistor to basically control these relays. These are 1 kilo ohm resistors. These are used to basically give this signal to this transistor so that it will act as a switch. These are the endpoints or the terminals where the NO and common of each relay is connected here. So my starter is little different. We just need to short various contact points and the pump starts, and also the same goes with the stopping the pumps. We just need to short 2 points, and that's why NO and common are used here. So once the relay is on, these 2 terminals will be a short circuit, and when this relay is off, this will be open circuit. So yeah, that's about it. Now in next video we are going to connect this to my pump starter and we'll test it.